All right, you're viewing the leadership overview video. We've made it to weeks 14 and 15. This is our last content chapter. Yay! So LEA stands for leadership. You're watching the video now. Notice we got the same format. Get your individual posts and complete your quiz by April 17. And then you'll have from April 18 to April 24th to complete the group discussion. Here's the content, just same format as always. You can see here we've got a competency A, competency B, and competency C, leading the future, and then a conclusion. There's a couple of things that are different in this module, and I want to go through it with you. But I think also it's fun, so I think you're going to enjoy this. So if we click on this, let's go into it. Number one, use the behavioral interviewing. So tell me about a time that you took the lead on a difficult project. In your example, differentiate when you led compared to when you managed the project. Same thing, use the STAR approach. Here's a resource. Then complete your IDC mission using the diet steps. An important term or concept, your exam question. And this is what I want to cover with you. This is, I think you'll have fun with this. It's called the lead self instrument. And if you, what you're going to do is you're going to download it here, complete it to determine your leadership style, and then answer these questions. So let's take a look at this. If we click on this here, this is what comes up. And this instrument was developed in the 70s by Hersey and Blanchard, and it's baseball and behavioral theory. It focuses on transactional management, and transactional management is primary, clear up into the executive level. Even executives use it, but once you hit executive level, you use this less, and you kind of use transformational leadership more. But this is pretty good. So what you're going to do, you click on this. I would recommend you download it, and then you'll see there's 12 questions. You read the situation and select the action that you would do. Don't try to pick what you think is the right answer. Pick what you would typically do behaviorally. And you can see there's 12. Okay, so then you can print this out. You're going to go up and see, what did I have for number one? So let's say, just what if randomly, what if you picked C? Then you come down here for number one, put an X in the box for C here, and an X in the box for C here. This is actually B, it's just faded out. And you do that to complete this. And then what you're going to do is count the number of X's in this column, put your number there, number here, number here, number here. And then over here, you're going to do the same thing, count your X's and put them in these four boxes. And then notice that you're going to multiply that number here by a minus, the number here by -2, this one by -1, multiply by a +1 this number, then add these numbers. Now, so if you're multiplying by a minus number, you're going to get a minus number here and a minus number here. The only way you would not is if you didn't have any X's, and then this would be a 0. This would be a 0. But let's say I had 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. This would be a -4. So, and then these numbers will be plus numbers. Then you take those scores, and you're going to plot them over here. So the numbers that come out of these boxes here are going to plot right into this diagram right down here. So you'll take the first one and plot in here, the second one right in here, quadrant 2, third one in quadrant 3, and the fourth one in quadrant 4. One of those numbers will be your largest number. Sometimes there's a tie. If there's a tie, it means you're you're kind of equally comfortable with both of those approaches. But most people, you'll have one number higher than the rest. That's your preferred style. The second highest number is your kind of like your secondary style. Then you take the number you got over here, and it could be minus, could be anywhere from minus to a plus, and I think it says 24, so it would be anywhere from minus 24 to plus 24, and you're going to place an X to wherever you were here, because that's an indicator of effectiveness. And so what you're going to see, you have a favorite style, in other words, a basic style or a primary style with a secondary style. And then you're going to have a score on that's kind of indicates how effective you are with what you did. And this right here is the same scoring matrix as column 2. And notice it talks about adaptability. So if you scored in the ineffective range, what does that mean? Well, that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. It just means that you have a tendency to use your preferred style regardless of the situation. So you're not very adaptable. And if you start paying more attention to the situation and changing your approach, then right away you increase your effectiveness, because this is a behavioral model, so it's all learned behaviors. So wherever you score, and there's not a preferred style. In other words, what's preferred, excuse me, what's preferred is to use the style that's most effective given the situation. And that's the whole basis of this theory. So what I'd like for you to do is include this page in your post, because this will give people your data so they can understand how you scored. So I think you'll have fun with that, and follow the format. And here we are in our last content module, so I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.